We are standing on the edge of the biggest shift in home entertainment history since the transition from DVD to streaming. For years, Apple has treated the Apple TV as a hobby, a nice-to-have accessory. But as we move into 2026, the game has officially changed. The leaks coming out of Cupertino aren't just about a faster processor or a new remote. We are talking about the total transformation of your living room. We're talking about a device that is designed to kill your gaming console, replace your smart home hub, and bring literal artificial intelligence into your daily life in a way no one saw coming. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Today, we are diving deep into the Apple TV 4K 2026. We have the supply chain leaks, the internal tvOS 26 code fragments, and the hardware specs that prove Apple is finally ready to dominate the big screen. By the end of this video, you will understand why the current model is about to become a paperweight, and why the 2026 refresh is the only tech purchase that matters this year. Let's start with the heart of the beast. For the last few years, the Apple TV has lived on the A15 Bionic chip. It was fast, sure. It was snappy. But in 2026, snappy isn't enough. The new Apple TV 4K is confirmed to be skipping several generations of silicon to land squarely on the A17 Pro, and some sources even suggest an A18 variant optimized specifically for thermal efficiency in a set-top box. Why does this matter to you, the viewer? Because of three words: hardware, accelerated, ray tracing. For the first time ever, Apple isn't just making a streaming box. They are making a console killer. With the A17 Pro or A18 silicon and a massive jump to 8 GB of RAM, this device is now capable of running AAA titles natively. We're talking Resident Evil, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed, not through the cloud, not with laggy streaming, but rendered right there on the box in your cabinet. The Nintendo Switch, the entry-level Xbox, they should be very, very nervous. But it's not just about the games. It's about the brain. 2026 is the year of Apple intelligence. You've seen it on the iPhone, you've seen it on the Mac, but you haven't seen it like this. The 2026 Apple TV isn't just a menu of apps, it's an AI-driven entertainment concierge. Imagine sitting down and saying, "Siri, find me that movie where the guy goes to space, but it's actually a metaphor for fatherhood," and skip to the scene with the docking sequence. And it just works. This is the power of the new neural engine. The Apple TV 4K 2026 will analyze your viewing habits locally, meaning your privacy stays intact, to create a For You interface that actually feels like it knows you. No more scrolling through endless rows of Netflix junk you'll never watch. The UI is rumored to be getting a liquid glass redesign that shifts and changes based on the time of day and the mood of the room. And speaking of the room, let's talk about the hardware itself. While the puck design we've known for years is iconic, the 2026 model is rumored to be thinning down even further. But the real secret isn't the box, it's the connectivity. We are looking at the introduction of the N1 networking chip. This is Apple's custom-built silicon for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0. If you live in a crowded American suburb or a city apartment, you know the pain of Wi-Fi interference. Your movie buffers right at the climax. Your game lags